Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni. You are watching CRD News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines: Dr. Maha Shah case. 2 suspects declared innocent after DNA test. The death case of Dr. Maha Shah has taken another turn as police reached a conclusion after declaring 2 suspects innocent following the result of DNA test. First Lady's sister appointed at HEC, Maryam Riaz Bhutto, who was serving as Director of University of Arab Emirates, has been appointed as coordinator of a development project at Higher Education Commission. Senator Rahman Malik expresses condolences over Mushahidullah Khan demise. Former Interior Minister Senator Rahman Malik expressed deep condolences over the death of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz Senator Mushahidullah Khan. Facebook has tentatively friended us again, Australia says. Facebook Inc. is back at negotiating table, Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison said after the Teach Gent this week blocked news on its site in the country. Planet Earth its quietest in decades. Earth had its quietest period in decades during 2020 as the COVID-19 pandemic significantly reduced human activity and its impact on the planet's crust. 3 held with narcotics in Sialkot. The police claimed to have arrested 3 drug peddlers with narcotics. 2 flour mills sealed over misappropriation. Food Department had raided and sealed 2 flour mills over misappropriation in government wheat quota. 3 shopkeepers held in Sargodha. Price Control Magistrate arrested 3 shopkeepers for profiteering and overcharging in various parts of the district. Here is the reality behind this viral picture. The trend of realistic cakes has been brought back by a Twitter user by sharing these pictures going viral on social media platforms showing a man lying on a hospital bed. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. Take care and stay tuned with CRD News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.